Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. A minus b multiplied by a plus b equals to a square minus b square. So this one that is about a, this one that is about b. We need to create about a square minus b square so that we can cancel about 2x minus 1. So to do about this one, we need to multiply by a plus b on numerator and denominator. So this one we have like this. And we have 2x minus number 1. And now we simplify this one. And now we need to expand this one. So s minus s we cancel, so we have number 1. So the integration of number 1, we have s, and we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. Now we need to find this integration from 0 to number 1 of this one. So this one we have 1 minus 0, and this one should be about number 1. Next, we need to concentrate on this one. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about s equal to sine u square. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have 2 sine u cosine u du. Next, I need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, so I will put number 0 on here, and we can find the value of u equals to number 0. When s equals to number 1, so we put number 1 on here, and we have u equals to b over 2. So number 0 we keep the same, number 1 we change by b over 2. S we change by this one and this one. The s we change by this one. Now we have the formula in here. Sine u square plus cosine u square equals to number 1. So we put sine u square go to the right, and we have cosine u square equals to 1 minus sine u square. So we need to transform this one into this one. And now we have sine u cosine u. So I will put number 2 in here. Later that we need to divide by number 2. So we have the formula in here. 2 sine u cosine u equal to sine 2u. So this one we have sine 2u, and this one we have sine 2u, and so we have sine 2u to the power of 2. Next, we have the next one. Sine a square equals to 1 minus cosine 2a over number 2. And now we need to transform this one into this one, and we have 1 minus cosine 4u over number 2. So I will put number 2 go outside, and we have 1 over 4. And now we have the final answer. The integration of number 1, we have u. The next one, we have 1 over 4 sine 4u. And we put the bounds from 0 to b over 2. And now we have the final answer. So I will put b over 2 gone here, and b over 2 gone here. Number 0 gone here, and number 0 gone here. So this one we have b over 8. Now we need to return back in here. The integration of this one, that is about b over 8. This one we have number 1. So we simplify like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question.